Hello, tutor, classmate. My name is Lisa Lopez Medina, and this is my video for the Word 3 pronunciation practice. Okay, let's go. Number 1. Check the following sentence. Mark the syllable strength of each word and record yourself pronouncing the sentence. Darling plane taxi down the runway before taking off. Number 2. The airplane circled around the airport waiting to receive permission to land. Okay. Number 3. Check the following paragraph and happy what you have learning about syllable strengths and word strength in sentence. Record yourself pronouncing the paragraph. The moon is apparent, rocking world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters and has nulla of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changes as it moves around the earth. The moon keeps changes as it moves around the earth. Okay? Thank you. Bye.